Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house on almost quarter acre of land in the much desired Albion Estate, Yallahs, St. Thomas. This aesthetically pleasing property is fully fenced with enclosed garage, gazebo with outdoor entertainment, garden areas, fruit trees, water tank and water heater, AC units, ceiling fans, jacuzzi in the master suite, and adequate space in the backyard for the construction of a swimming pool. The property is minutes to the ocean, and gorgeous views of the Caribbean Sea can be enjoyed from the upper floor if this bungalow is converted to a 2-story residence. Located a few minutes drive from the Yallahs town center, this property offers ease of access to Kingston, the new highway making Harbour View a 10 to 15 minutes drive. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.